So what is real estate? Real estate is all about land and the buildings on it. It includes homes, office buildings, stores, and even empty land. People buy, sell, and rent real estate for living, working, and investing. Think of it as dealing with places where people live, work, and play. Owning rental properties can be a great opportunity for individuals who have do-it-yourself, DIY, renovation skills and the patience to manage tenants. Properties can be local, or there may be good out-of-state opportunities. This investing strategy does require substantial capital to finance upfront maintenance costs and to cover periods when the property is empty or when tenants do not pay their rent. Real estate investment groups, REIGs, are ideal for people who want to own rental real estate without the hassles of running it. Investing in REIGs requires a capital cushion and access to financing. REIGs are like small mutual funds that invest in rental properties. In a typical real estate investment group, a company buys or builds a set of apartment blocks or condos, then allows investors to purchase them through the company, thereby joining the group. House flipping is for people with significant experience in real estate valuation, marketing, and renovation. House flipping requires capital and the ability to do or oversee repairs as needed. Proverbial wild side of real estate investing. Just as day trading is different from buy and hold investing, real estate flippers are distinct from buy and rent landlords. Case in point, real estate flippers often look to profitably sell the undervalued properties they buy in less than 6 months. There is another kind of flipper who makes money by buying reasonably priced properties and adding value by renovating them. This can be a longer-term investment, and investors may only be able to take on 1 or 2 properties at a time. Real estate investing platforms are for those who want to join others in investing in a bigger commercial or residential deal. The investment is made via online real estate platforms, which are also known as real estate crowdfunding. This still requires investing capital, although less than what's required to purchase properties outright. The best real estate crowdfunding platforms can pool resources of investors looking for investment opportunities with other investors looking for financial backing for new or current real estate projects, thereby giving you the opportunity of diversifying your investments with not much money.